Hey guys, how you doing? It's been forever since I came here. I was going through a lot of things, and but today I want to talk about some things I've been working on behind the scene, and let's get into it. Uh, I've been when I started my university, I didn't know I wanted to be in tech, but I didn't know which part of tech I wanted to be. And there was a lot of opinions regarding what is it called? Give me a second, let me close this door. It's just too loud at home. Anyhow, when I was studying in my university, there was a lot of things going on I couldn't understand, and you need to make a decision when you transfer to university, and you need to know where you want to do when you're close to your major, and especially like you're doing your prerequisite and you're about to get into your major. So I had the decision, either I wanted to be studying computer science or an IT, computer information technology. So I didn't know what to study. I just said a lot of professors, and they said on YouTube, they were saying computer science is really general and IT is more specific. And my research went in, I got more confused. So I made the decision to get into IT and see what IT is about. And after being in I haven't declared my major. I was doing prerequisite for my major, and I finally came to conclusion where I understood what is IT and what is studying software engineering and computer science. And I wanted to be a software engineer where I design software, or maybe learn about AI, intelligence, and I want to learn more when it comes to creativity. I am more creative person than a person who like follow things like step by step, and I understood that. And for me to become a software engineer, I need to study computer science. Instead of them saying software engineering, they said computer science. And one of my professors was very helpful in explaining what is what and what to study, what it is. And after taking classes in IT and cybersecurity, I learned that I more excel in creating or making new project, making new things instead of defending or making support or whatever IT do. In the IT branch has so many parts, so I understood that what I wanted, it wasn't what I chose. And because due to lack of information, or maybe too many information that didn't make sense for me at that time. So I have decided to pursue my computer science. I'm taking classes in different part where like I studied back end, we're studying creating using Java, Python, and now I'm studying JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, and mostly web designing and doing that. And also I'm taking a security class where I'm studying how to test software, how to detect or if people hacked or there is a malware or whatever it is. And I finally understood that part. But that class is really tough, to be honest with you. It's mostly you do a lot of research. You have to be up to date in in regarding cybersecurity news, any hacks or anything. Keep up with the news. It's really good. It's really interesting, and seeing that and got me interested in learning a little bit about security. And I have a blog that, and it talks about my blog talks about different things, and I will be posting it in the link below. If you're interested, look it up. And I also will make videos regarding of what topics that I have talked about in the blog. And this is an introduction. My previous introduction was funny, but I wanted to have a new updated version. I will be putting an effort in posting videos in every 2 weeks once, due to my busy schedule, school, business, and a lot of things. And also I will be making videos about my ADHD. I mostly post on TikTok, and hopefully they don't close TikTok from the US branch. I love TikTok. TikTok is really easy to use, and there's not a lot of things that complicated to think about when it comes to posting on TikTok. And I have been putting a lot of effort into regarding on building my social media, and I have been successful in regard and making money in TikTok than any other platform. So I'm hoping that I can maintain that and build on. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye.